How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first thing that you will need to do is confirm what happened. So you can open up your photos and check if the photos or the videos that were on your phone were deleted. So confirm that they were deleted and not misplaced in any libraries or anything anywhere else. After you do that, what you can do is you can just go ahead, scroll down, and there you'll find the Utilities tab. From there, head over to Recently Deleted. Use your Face ID to view the album and check if the photos were here. If they were, you can easily recover them by tapping on the photo and then tapping on Recover button on the bottom right. Tap on Recover Photo and the photo will get recovered. And it's that simple. Now, if that's not the case, if you're an iPhone user, your photos might already have been backed up in your iCloud. So you can head over to your settings, and on your settings, my bad, let me open up my settings again. There we go. Now on the settings, you can tap on your Apple ID on the top, and after you're here, you should see the iCloud option. Tap on iCloud, and on your iCloud, what you'll have to do is there you'll see Saved to iCloud option. Tap on that and check if your photos are backed up or not. So tap on iCloud Photos, and from here, all you have to do is if your sync this iPhone is turned off, you will see when syncing is off, your photo library is included in your device backup. You can change it. So you can just head over to your iCloud and recover your deleted photos from there, as they are already and always backed up in iCloud. And it's that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.